One of the most exhausting things in life is to pursue everyone. Minsan, hindi natin ginagawa yung mga bagay na gusto natin kasi iniisip natin yung sasabihin ng ibang tao. Natatakot tayong ma-judge, mapuna o hindi maintindihan. Pero here's the reality. Kahit anong gawin mo, may masasabi at masasabi pa rin yung mga tao. Kapag nag-risk ka, sasabihin nila masyado kang impulsive. Kapag hindi ka naman nag-risk, sasabihin nila wala kang lakas ng loob. Kapag nagtagumpay ka, may masasabing sinuswerte ka lang. At kapag nagkamali ka, huhusgahan ka naman nila. That's why you can't build your life around other people's opinion. Because no matter how careful you are, you will never be everyone's favorite person. So instead spending your life asking, ano kayang sasabihin nila? Start asking yourself, ano ba talaga yung gusto ko? If you want to start something, start it. If you have a dream, chase it. And if there's opportunity in front of you, take it. Because at the end of the day, ikaw pa rin yung mabubuhay sa consequences ng decisions mo, hindi sila. And years from now, mas masakit pa rin yung regret na hindi mo nagawa yung mga gusto mo dahil lang iniisip mo yung sasabihin nila. Remember, people will always have opinions and something that you cannot control. So, here's your reminder today. In the end of the day, i-judge ka pa rin naman nila, diba? So, do what you want. Follow your path. And live a life that makes sense to you, not to everyone else. Because that's your life, not their approval that truly matters.